Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shortcut Mastery. So, as many of you have faced such type of error whenever they try to open some app, like the application was unable to start correctly, and this type of code error will appear. Then you will get this message: click OK to close this application. So we will fix this error today. So let's start this video. So firstly, you have to just go to the CMD command. You have to just type CMD and go to the Run as Administrator and click on Yes. And at here you have to just paste these two commands individually, first the first one and then the second one. Basically the first one re-register all the DLL file in the system, so you have to just copy it and enter it, and then you have to just type copy the second one and then paste it here. And the second one is basically re-register all OCX file here. Here, as you can see, you have just pasted this and this has been run successfully. So by doing this, your issue will be fixed. If it doesn't fix, so you have to just go to the step 2, which is basically you have to type run command to open run command here. And at here you have to just type this command intel.cpl and then click on OK. And at here you have to just go to the administrative. In administrative, you have to just go to click on change system local, and at here you have to just select the region settings, like your region setting, in which region setting you have selected, like English United States in my case. So you have to just select this from here as well, according to your system locale. So after this, click on OK, and then you have to just move to the step 3, which is basically registry editor, and you have to just open the registry editor and click on yes. And in registry editor you have to just follow this location that I have mentioned here, like HKey local machine, then software, then Microsoft. So at here you have to just open the HKey local machine. Here it is, the HKey local machine, then software, then Microsoft, then software, and then Microsoft. And in Microsoft you have to just go to the, like, Windows NT, scroll down and go to the Windows NT. Here it is, the Windows NT. And in Windows NT you have to just go to the current version. Here it is, the current version. In current version you have to just open, like here it is, the current version. So I have to just open this and go to the Windows, like this one is the last option. And in Windows you have to just select it here, and then after open this you have to go to the load app Intel. You have to just find out load app INITDLLS. Here it is, you have to just double click on it, and you have to check the value that has been mentioned here. It should be 0. If it is change from 0, so you have to just enter 0 at here and replace it with 0. In your case, if it is like could be 1 2 3, so you should have to change it to 0 and then select OK. So by doing this and by following these 3 steps, your issue will be fixed. If you like my video, so kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.